Hi, so in this video, I'm just going to be explaining about the guidance section and how I see this working. So what I've got down here is the first bit of text that appears on the guidance section page. I've completely removed the three boxes that were there, and I've added a simplistic search option here. So as you start to type the resource name, section or topic, that will then start to show up here, or you press search and the same rules apply. I've added three sections or three category sections along the left hand side here. So these are the sections that were sent across to us. These are the topics that are on the website currently. And then I've added a file type section here so that you can list the different pages in the back end that have these specific files on those pages. And I think this is a better way to try and categorize this section so it's easier for users to manage and look through. If I scroll back up to the top here, so basically what I'm showing on this section initially is just a couple of boxes from the practice management section. And then I've also added helpful guides as an example onto this section. So that helpful guides will be, if there are any helpful guides on that section, you would then make sure that this was categorized as having a helpful guide in the back end. I think this is a really good way to do this because it's obvious to see what categories are listed above here, and that's clearly visible for users when they're on this page. I've only demonstrated a few on here. Obviously, I know there's quite a lot that are featuring within practice management. This is just purely for the overall design of this section to make sure it's as clear and easy for users to manage as possible. So another thing I wanted to ask was, and the way that I've done this is there were three boxes initially. Two boxes only go to two individual pages, but then there's practice manager guides, which was the third box. That third box then leads to 9 other boxes, and then some of those boxes then lead to additional pages. So if I show you, if I go to the guidance section on the website, so it's the practice manager guidance. So if I click this, we've got the 9 boxes here. CQC, this goes to only one page. There's not any other categories that this is listed in, but if I go back to the designs I've done, there is only one page listed within the topic, and that topic is also listed on the front end here, so CQC. So that's not going to be a problem because it's already listed as a topic. However, if we start to go into regulations, SFEs and finance, you're then going into more boxes. So I think what would be a good idea is if you have another section called regulations, SFEs and SFES and finance as its own topic, and then you list all of these within that particular topic on the front end here in the browse by topic section, because it would be good if you limited users having to go through so many clicks like this and then having them just all listed here. Now, you can label each section as you have done. For example, if I go into regulation, you've got this listed in legal, national policies, procedures, support and contract. You can add as many categories as you want to the different pages. That's absolutely not a problem. But I just want to make sure that you are happy with the way that I have designed this and the user flow that I'm suggesting, because I think this is going to be the easiest way for users to be able to follow things, and also to limit the amount of clicks that people have to go through. I find that this could maybe be a little bit too many clicks for users to have to go through, and that way you're also keeping it all in one place by having it structured this way. It would be great if once everybody's reviewed this video that we could have a meeting and discuss anything. And if there's any issues that you think that are going to occur from having the design like this or having it set up this way, I'm just thinking for the easiest and most straightforward way for users to be able to use this. And yeah, if there's any design feedback that you've got as well, it would be great to go through that. So yeah, I will arrange a meeting with you once you've had a chance to look at this video, and we can go through all of your feedback.